Hey ladies, today we're talking about 10 style mistakes that may be making us look older than what we are. If you're new here, I'm Cathy, I'm 56 years old and I upload fashion videos twice a week. And today I'm gonna show you 10 style mistakes that you might be making that might be making you look older. And you may not even be aware that you're making these mistakes. A few of them I'm guilty of and I didn't know I was making them. So this video is all in fun. It is not meant to insult anyone. I always say wear what gives you the most confidence. But I think that there are a few things that we can tweak whenever we are getting dressed that can help us look and feel much more confident in the clothes that we wear. There's nothing wrong with getting old. We can look refreshed as we age. That's how I like to think of it. The first style mistake, are you guilty of not editing your closet? When's the last time that you honestly went through your closet, went through every single thing that is in there, looked at it, and quickly said, do you bring me joy? Do you make me feel confident when I put you on? And if the answer is no, or if you hesitate and you have to think about it, my gut tells me then I probably should just let it go. If it's still in good shape, donate it. I love to donate to a local women's shelter, or if it still has a price tag on, you might want to try and sell it on eBay or Poshmark and recoup some of the money that you spent on your clothes. So just by editing your closet, you're gonna see that there's probably a lot of clothes you forgot about. So that tells me, you know what, I don't like these clothes, so they don't deserve a spot in my closet. Because whenever you go in your closet, you want to put on clothes that make you feel good about yourself, make you look good, give you confidence. Because whenever you feel confident inside, you're going to exude that confidence. And there's no point hanging on to clothes that no longer serve you or don't make you feel your best. Number 2 is shopping at the same store. There's nothing wrong with shopping at the same store because I do it, but I think it's good to mix and match. So that's why whenever I'm buying clothes, say at Talbot's, I know I love their color indigo blue and I love red pop and I love their pink color. I can't think of the name right now. But I know that if I bought something 2 years ago in indigo blue, it's going to match what I buy this year in indigo blue. So that's one reason why I really appreciate shopping at Talbot's, because I know that the clothes are going to, over the years, they're going to match. But what I mean by shopping at the same store is you constantly don't want to be wearing from head to toe all prints that match the same. You might want to say buy like a nice top from store A and from store B wear the pants that you bought. You just want to be careful that you just don't become too matchy. And that's what I mean by always, buying from just one store. I usually have 3 stores in rotation that I like shopping at pretty consistently. I know that I can, mix and match from different stores, or from one year to the other year, or from seasons. Like if I bought something at Talbot's in the spring, I can still wear it in the winter time, say if I put like a layer over it. The next mistake that may be aging you is wearing boxy, oversized clothes. Just because you're a certain age doesn't mean that you should stop flaunting your body. If you got it, rock it, because you worked hard for that body. So it's really important to look current, and honestly, something that is oversized doesn't look good on anybody. Occasionally I will wear maybe something that is a little oversized if the style is made that way, like for instance this white blouse from Spanx that I'm wearing, but I'll put something over it like this sweater so you can't really notice that it's oversized. You want to wear clothes that highlight your best feature. Most of the time I'm in a v-neck, except in the winter when it's really cold, then I'm gonna be like in a crew neck because I need to be warm. You can create a v-neck by wearing a necklace, say, over this, and as long as there's like a small V, that can give the illusion of a v-neck. If your best features are your legs, wear a nice skirt or skirt or a pair of shorts if you can, and show off your legs. So you always want to draw attention to whatever you feel is your best feature. Number 4, a mistake that can really make us look older than what we are is shapeless hair. And I am hesitant to talk about this because last year I was lambasted continuously about my hair, and it kind of gets to you because it plays with your mind. But you know what? It really got me mad, and now if anybody comments on my hair, I just tell them it's my hair, you don't have to worry about it. Wear your hair the way that it makes you feel good. I like my hair when I have like layers and body and it's wispy. That may not be everybody's cup of tea, but that's okay. It's my hair. I don't have the type of hair that I can keep straight all the time. I have coarse, wiry, wavy hair. So it's really important to find a style that works the best for you. But what I noticed last year when I was trying to grow my hair out, whenever it's shapeless and whenever it's too long, it didn't do me any good. Like, I wasn't happy with that hair. So you really have to find a hairstyle that brings you joy, and you know, maybe try some layers around your face. Maybe lighten it up a little bit around your face if you still color your hair. I get lots of highlights. I still color my hair. That can really make me look youthful. So maybe just play around with your hair and see, you know, does it look better if you maybe cut it a little bit and put in some layers or some highlights or some lowlights. Just have fun with it. You know what? If you don't like it, it's only hair. It's gonna grow out, and if you really, really hate it, you can buy a wig and just wear that for now. I had a wig before whenever I'd go on cruises. It was the easiest thing that I could ever do. I actually got a wig that had long hair, and I didn't have to worry about my hair when you're on a cruise because you just get so darn hot when it's humid out, and you just pop your wig on and you don't have to worry about your hair. Another fashion mistake that we sometimes make is we cover up everything. But I think that if you show a little skin, that's a good thing. So, you know, maybe wear a V-neck, short sleeves, shorts, a skirt, show off your legs. Just flaunt a little bit of skin, and that's kind of a youthful look. Another aging mistake is not covering up any redness in your skin or any discoloration. I have mild rosacea and I do have red skin, especially in the wintertime. It seems to flare up. So it's important for me, I'll wear like a tinted sunscreen or a foundation if I'm, say, doing a video. Most of the time, if I'm just sticking around the house, you know, I just go bareface or I'll put on a tinted sunscreen, and that's what I'm wearing today. And it just, you know, evens out my complexion, hides any redness. Just by doing that, give you like a youthful glow, and then maybe just go over it with some translucent powder, or like what I did today, just a little bit of bronzer, and it just gives me some warmth. If you're enjoying my video, I would love it if you subscribed. It's 100% free, and I upload 2 videos a week. So the next mistake I just briefly touched on, it's not adding color to your cheeks. When we age, we seem to get pale and color drains from our cheeks. So it's really important for us to maybe add a pinch of blush or some nice lipstick, a nice colored lip gloss, like this lip stain that I'm wearing. Just adding a little bit of a blush on your cheek, it just gives you a youthful look, like when you were, you know, younger, and it's like you're blushing. Just add some color to your face, so you're just going to look younger, I guess. Okay, this next one is a pet peeve of mine, and you know, everybody, regardless of your age, should be wearing the correct bra. It's really important to get a bra fitting. Make sure you're wearing the right size, the right type of bra. Pull the girls up. You want them pointing forward, not down. Just doing that alone is going to make you look taller, thinner, and youthful. You might want to go through your bra drawer, and any bras that, you know, no longer serve you, just get rid of them. Donate them if, you know, they still have the tags on, or just get rid of them, because it's real important. If you just do the one thing on this list, make sure you're wearing the right size bra, and you can get a free bra fitting at any major department store like Nordstrom. You want to invest in a good bra too, and the ladies that work in that department are very, very helpful. Number 8 is forget about the style rules. Who cares? Wear what you want. Wear what gives you confidence. What I'm sharing with you today are not rules. They are tips to elevate your outfit. You know, who says you can't wear all black? Who says you can't wear white after Labor Day? Wear what you want when you want. The number one most important rule that you need to remember is wear what gives you confidence. It doesn't matter if somebody else likes a certain style and they're trying to jam it down your throat that you should be wearing the exact thing. Tell them you do you. It's real important, ladies, to find your own personal style and work what you feel the best in. Because whenever you feel really good, then you're going to exude confidence and you're going to feel like you can take on anything. The message that I try and get across in all of my videos is that it's really important that you feel confident and you feel good about yourself. So forget about all the people that say you can't do this or you can't do that. Just you do you. Let them worry about themselves. Remember, confidence is the most important thing that you can wear. This style mistake is one that I'm still working on, and I'm guilty of it, and that is not wearing accessories. I'll put on some earrings, but I know I should probably wear a necklace or maybe a scarf or something. I'm still a work in progress. Wearing accessories can really also help to elevate a basic jeans and t-shirt. If you just are comfortable in that sort of outfit, if that is your style, if that is your everyday uniform, but maybe just think, how can I add another layer to it? So you can think of jewelry as a layer rather than putting on, say, a blazer. Wear a nice necklace, wear some bracelets, some earrings, maybe a nice crossbody purse. Just inject your personality into an accessory, even if you don't really follow trends like me. You know, like last fall, red was on trend and I really got into it. But say if you're not comfortable committing to like a red top, maybe just add some red earrings or a red bracelet or a red purse. Adding one trend that is currently in can bring your, say, everyday outfit to the next level, and it's going to make you look on trend and youthful, and that's going to make you feel confident. So if you would like to see my daily looks, I post on the LTK app. It is a free app you can download or you can follow along on your computer, and you can see whatever I'm wearing every day. And they also have app only flash sales. I try and get my looks up as quickly as I can on YouTube, but sometimes, you know, it takes forever to receive packages in. So I'll snap a picture of an outfit when I'm trying it on. I'll post it on LTK and Instagram. They're both free to follow me, as is YouTube. My YouTube channel content is always free, so you don't have to pay anything to follow me. Sometimes by the time I get around to doing a video, things may be sold out. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in seeing the top 10 fashion trends for 2025 that I think are the most flattering for plus size women, check out this video.